Hey, what's up? LL77 in my hospital room, having a little slab of Bionic. Yeah, something like Lusky. But Lusky's a little deadlier, wickeder, awesomer. Oh, I didn't. Oh, I gotta cut this bread without while the butter's on there. Look, this is talent. Straight from the res. I did it though, look. Oh, hey. Oh, the friggin' bird's at the window again, staring at my food. Oh, I wish I had a rock. That friggin'... I was gonna grab the phone. I would have fell over. I'm just trying to butter my friggin' bannock. That's what it's called, isn't it? Bannock. Oh, leftover. He's nosing around. He's still watching me eat, and I don't like that. Come on, buddy. Same birds as he's out here somewhere. Pause this till it comes. Now, friggin' he's smart. Because he's trying to make me look like a liar. He knows I'm doing a YouTube video. Oh, dude. Yeah, hold on. Oh, this way.
You all done, Lloyd?
Yep. I got caught by the nurse. Recording. Oh, well. Where's that bird? Come on. He's a smart fella, trying to make me look like a liar. Never lied in my life. Look, he's way over there stashing. See him? Let me zoom up on him. I'm Big Ma. I know these things. See? He'll zoom right over here. Showing off with his wings. Thinks he's cool. Watch your beauty here. I told you he's gonna be right on there. Oh, come on, you son of a gun. Oh, this is a friggin' sassy guy. Come on, man. Take the leap of faith. Come on, right over here. Scoop over here. I'll push on that friggin' thing right there. So hard. Oh, my fly land on the ground. I'm joking. He was staring at me. My dog's never even stared at me. Look at him, what a guy. Oh. He's staring. He knows I got bannock. Well, that was fun. Peace.